Okay, so first we have to find something that makes the dog bark. A front door doorbell often will make a dog bark, so I often start with that one. What I'm going to do is ring the doorbell. As soon as Mavis barks, I'm going to click my clicker and follow up with a treat. Can you speak? Bark, 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 bark. Good, good job. Okay. And again. Bark, bark, bark. Good. And again. Bark, 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 bark. Good. Next time, I'm going to pretend to ring the doorbell and see if she's on a roll. I could still get her to bark. Bark, bark. Good. Good job. Bark, bark. Good. Good job. And again. Bark, bark, bark. Good. Good job. And I think we taught a bark.